Hi, I'm Tony Meniscalco. I'm here from NCC Automated Systems. We're here displaying the product SideDrive Spiral Systems. Let me give you a couple features on what we have here. This is the most sanitary conveyor system on the market. We have an open frame construction, all solid welds. We have the interlocks SideDrive belting that you'll have. It's definitely open frame where you can access. You have the most sanitary access to clean it. We have drive systems. You'll see these are a sync drive system using an encoder. This will be placed either in a singular fashion or dual fashion as you see here. We provide this for any type of food contact product, packaged product as necessary. If there's anything else you need, please feel free to stop by at our show or then come and see us on ncautomatedsystems.com. Thank you.